Yeah, sponsoring to begin with. DKR Joinery. Most exposure they've
Big
had all
up.
year. Big up. That's where I get all my joining done.
Yeah. Come on.
If you need joining done,
I've got my lighting though, golden out.
DKR Joinery. Good angle, good lighting. Oh yeah. I reckon get me in as well. Oh, it's in the divot Origi. Side, dildo hands. Do that one again. That was me. That was a mixture of me and you, to be fair. Start. One more if you want. One for luck. Yeah, good luck. So, in from the side. Pick up around the same side you come from. Low guarded save. Remember it? Yeah, so pick up when you get in from the side, round the same side. Low guarded save. Same again, mid-height, so I'm going to strike it into you around the middle, back into my hands, and then you just be an underarm.
What, you're going mid on
Mid-height, yeah, get it back into my hands as well, please, mate. Don't want to do any more bending down. One more each side, I reckon, with a mid-height. Because the first one was a bit scrappy. So, yeah, that'll do actually. Right, pick your feet, volley, set up, high take. See how far you can get off the ground. You ready?
Is it outside the cones?
So, yeah, you literally
Take one and throw it back.
whatever feet you like, so just mix it up. Volley in there, I'll just set up there and there. You're right, Nico?
Right.
That's my take. So, to start with, start with being ready to team, and then after the stretching, right. So, I'll speak to you about everything that's going on after. Hold, yeah. Try and
Come on!
Super wet. Super fire. And hold. Yeah.
Come on!
I'm in. One more each side. Go on, boys. Oh, work out. Hold.
Come on! Come on!
Good, don't relax. Good. Just hope we don't do the ball like the old the thumbnail.
For the great technique. And the WhatsApp group.
Yeah. And the old album cover.
That killed me when I saw that.
Hunky Down.
Hugged up. And you and Jack were doing that. That was jokes in the comments.
I love that dude. I don't even know him. I've met him like twice.
No, it's no profile. He lives quite in Linda, so I'll get him on. We've got him on our house.
Daft Punk. Nothing wrong with a little cut down.
Back down, yeah. Oh!
Yeah. Chickens.
Chicken dinner.
Chicken dinners. In off the post. Yeah. Yeah, well watched. That's how it is. Absolute demons over it. Yeah.
That's a brave one to shout on camera,
Yeah,
isn't
good
it?
shout, good shout. Yeah.
Middle.
Yeah, just off centre. Yeah. In line.
Woo! Fucking hell. Get by that one.
Yeah. Yeah, good. Arctic Hunkies.
Uptown Hunk.
Off the post again. Yeah. Just handshake.
Crossed.
Yeah. Yeah. Still get 2 good ones in. Yeah. See. Still a bit rigid in. I know it's hard to judge a bounce, but just let it in.
Yeah.
Let it hit the chest. Enjoy it. Yeah. Feet. Yeah, good. Just roll them out on the angle there, mate. Yeah, mate. Like I said, you. Yeah, but that's. I mean, that's no different from anyone coming back. I'm so confused, honey.
I'd be interested with the you know where I'm actually on. I'd be interested with that to see. Right now I'd say that feels good to do, but that's one of the ones I think if I can say I can do that.
That's one of the ones that I can do.
No, yeah, absolutely. But that's what I'm saying in the future.
Couple more weeks.
I think, you know, even not even high, if it's here and it's just up there, or you know, fucking hopping and landing on water, throwing back and stuff like that.
Well, I suppose we'll see how you get on in a few weeks. season.
But no point, yeah, exactly.
No run. So just, yeah, end off the post, one at your feet. Yep. In from the centre, striking in and around. Yep. Good. Don't show me too much on it.
Okay. Straight out, yep.
Forward and back. Recovery movement, hit across along the ground. Yep. Yeah, shade. Fabrizio ravioli. Ooh, what a treat. Ready? Yeah, hi guys, thanks for our 20 subscribers.
I don't associate with that good players.
Now, why would he?
Don't associate with that good players. Is that it? No. The recovery. This guy.
He's recovering. Literally, you would have played 20 games a month just recovering.
Just recovering, yeah. Halfway through the season.
Yeah, it's
How's your knee been with that?
Actually good. When I'm actually alright. So,
Going to come and do the warm-up Tuesday?
Tuesday night?
We've got a game Tuesday.
Yeah. I'll come warm up.
Oh yeah, you'll need to do the warm up because I'm not here. I
I'll
mean, you'll
warm up. I can't cross, but actually, I can.
you
No, I
can.
can throw. No,
Exactly.
yeah. I'll be there. Don't you worry about that one.
Yeah, no, it'll work. One touch. Actually, you can move that shit a bit further out so you can just see. Move that back a bit just so you can see your set. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Oh my god.
We'll do a couple of little things. Keep it on the cards.
a little spray of days. Whoops. Fucking hell. Just want to get the sound in that, yeah. Keep up! Keep! Keep up! Keep! Keep up! Keep! Keep up! Keep! Keep up! Keep up!